So today I'm here to share with you guys the WELLFUNTIME Inflatable Water Park with blower bounce house. And this also has a double slide with a water cannon and a basketball ring, you guys, okay? So just wanted to show you guys what it looks like just coming out of the package, out of the box. These are all the items that you're going to have along with it. So you've got your stakes, you've got a basketball that's included as well. Of course, your bounce house over here. The blower comes with this as well, which was awesome. And then these are the other pieces as well. Like you've got your hose over here and that type of thing. And we are actually getting ready to put this together. We're having a summer party here in the next day. And so we are getting it ready so the kids can have some fun. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys what it looks like fully assembled and functional. Quick sidebar as well, just FYI, you are gonna have instructions that come with this as well. So just be rest assured, you're gonna have something to be able to guide you in putting this together. All right, guys, it is officially up. And here it is. So we turned it this way just so the kids could slide down on a hill, okay? But just so you guys can see what this looks like in its entirety, right? Get you close up so you can see where the kids are gonna be bouncing and enjoying themselves. We got our basketball hoop up here. We've got our slides over here. 2 slides. And this is where the water is going to pour and be available for the kids to play in right over here. And I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys over to the other side just so you guys can see. We literally just turned it on real quick just for the sake of shooting this because we have already had our fun. This is about 24 hours later after our little party that we had for the kids. And guys, this was such a hit, okay? Like this was literally the hit of the party, okay? Number one, we've got a sprayer right here as you guys can see, okay? And it was super easy to build out and put together. Clearly, it wasn't even anything to build out. You just had to set the sticks into the ground and then blow it up. Turn it on and blow it up. It just blows up on its own, right? And let me give you another visual of the sprayer. You can actually turn that bad boy around and spray people as they slide down, okay? And then right over here, we've got a little section here, little bounce house where they can bounce. There's also a basketball, okay, that you can also use with the basketball hoop that's right here up at the top. So the kids had a blast doing that. And then there are sprays, little sprays right here. Okay, as you guys can see, boom. That make it so they can slide right down that slide, guys, okay? Let me go ahead and show you guys. There's an entryway over here. And then basically this water is gonna fill up, okay, in the basin here. And the kids can just have a blast. Now we intentionally installed it this way so they could slide down our hill, so it made it even more fun. So you can set it however which way you want to. But guys, this is so cute, nice and big, perfect for the summer. It was literally the hit of the party.